I bought a £250,000 house and I can't even open my door on the driveway. Without hitting those concrete stairs, it's a nightmare. I have to do some Houdini yoga stuff to get out of the car. So in this episode, I'm gonna fix that and show you, is it hard? Is it easy? It's quite a lot of work, but I'm doing it myself. I've got a jackhammer. Let's see how it works out. So as you can see here, this step is causing a bit of an issue. So what we're going to do is try and get rid of this step here and make it a little bit more comfortable. So I've got 3 steps here, 1, 2, 3. So those might be the best point to get access. These all along here are just a waste of space. So today's goal is, can my jackhammer get rid of all this concrete? So I did realize after taking out the first 2 steps that there's quite a big drop from the stairs down to here. So I needed to put something there as a barrier. So let me show you the barrier that I decided to put in to act as a bit of protection. Oh, I've got 2 things. I've got some leftover wood from my greenhouse build. And I've got this, which is a washing line steel pole. I need a banister for my stairs that lead up to the house. Can I cut a hole in there, put this through there and create a nice contemporary style banister? This is a quick look at how I set this up now, the barrier. See here, because the steps have a large fall off from here to the ground, I had to put in a barrier to protect everything. So here we've got a barrier that I needed to put in. So now the new entrance point is through the side. And we don't have this big fall off anymore because that can be dangerous from there to here. Obviously the old stairs were here. I've taken 2 of those stairs out. progress update. Taking the cement out. Stairs are gone. That's going to be collected. Good, okay. See, I've got a lot more space along the side of the car, all the way around the side. But you can see I can easily, comfortably open up the doors now. So that doors open up. I can open the doors, I can hoover in the car, I can wash the car. So I think that is a big success, being able to do what I've just done. So someone on Facebook came and picked up all the bricks. So the old historic Facebook is your friend. And you can see overall we've got a good amount of space now. So this worked out for the best. In summary, this took me about 4 days in total of grafting. I did a couple of hours every day, and if I had hit it hard for a full day, I think I could have easily done this in a day. The jackhammer that I had was quite good. It was actually able to get through a lot of this concrete. Some of it was reinforced, so I was able to get rid of that. I've got a little bit of tidying up to do, but I wanted to get this video out so you can see how I'm progressing with this challenge. So that was a success. I think we've sorted it out. I've got enough space to walk all the way around the car, and I can open my door comfortably now, so you can see that. I can get out nice and easily, so it's a good addition. So this video is part of my small city house project. I'm doing quite a lot of this work myself because I'm not finding that builders are available or at the level I want them to be. I can do a lot of these tasks in my own time. Another project is going to be getting rid of all of this big raised platform, which is basically a raised garden. So I need to make sure I can get rid of that. I might hire a digger. I'll need a few grab lorries to take all of that away. It'll be interesting, so make sure to subscribe to check that video out coming soon. I've got a full playlist here which you can check out of sorting out my small city house. Check out the full playlist here.